today, Z, the two-hander. It's new. I hadn't seen that before. Z, I got a special day planned for us.
Really?
Yeah. It's a burrito day, though. You like burritos?
I don't mind burritos.
How do you feel about California burritos?
I actually only had a couple in my life. Yeah, I'm down to try it again.
I was thinking about that this morning, where we could go, and I realized that you and I, we have not had a lot of California burritos together.
And we live in California.
We do live in California. I'm about to expose my favorite California burrito, my little secret of a spot. I'm going to share it not only with you, but with all of those watching this video. I'm about to blow this spot up. I'm ready to share it with the world, Z. Are you ready to eat this burrito?
I'm ready to burrito this eat.
First, we got to hit the gas station. I'm running on fumes. Then let's hit the P.O. box. We'll go get this burrito. We'll find a suitable place to eat it. Because COVID. Let's do the 91s today, just because. For the homies. My man. For those of you guys that are wondering, today I'm riding a Suzuki GSX-R 750 Shitbox Edition. And Z's on the Triumph 1050 Speed Triple. Put you back in your safe little happy place. There you go. Plug you in. Keep you all well charged, batteried up. It's because I care. It's because I care. Where's the hole? There it is. On my way, Prius. I'll be right back. The store is locked. Oh, sorry about that. I feel like those photos were from the 70s. Yes. What do we got here? Oh, dude, we got something from Australia? Land down under? Z vanished. Where'd he go? Oh, I thought you left me. I was worried. I got something from Australia.
Ooh.
Yeah, so let's do this. I don't want to bore people with a bunch of mail. Let's go get this burrito. We'll eat it, and I'll save the letter openings till the end of the video. Yeah. All right, Z, I got our spot in, man. We're only about 16 minutes away from glory.
Good, because I'm hungry.
Are you hangry? Excuse me, Mr. Donut Man. I haven't even told you where we're going yet. You know what we're doing and what we're eating, but you don't know where we're going to do it at. I'll tell you in a second. Just let me get out of this parking lot. The place we're going to, it's called Albertaco's. That's the spot, Albertaco's. For those of you guys that have been there, you know exactly what I'm talking about. This place is magnificent. Now, the history of this place, it's a little weird because, I don't know, they've been in business forever. And I think they fall into the family of the Albertos. As far as I know, there's two locations. I think there's one in Orange, and the other one's here in Mission Viejo. Mission Viejo is the one we're going to today. We were supposed to turn left there, and I didn't. Albertacos. There we are. There we are. Goodness. Yes, sir.
Oh, shit. What's going on, man?
What's up, man? How are you?
Good. Following your channel for probably like 6 years now.
Yeah?
Yeah, dude.
Oh, thanks, man.
I had a shirt and everything, bro.
After you, sir. Could I do California burrito, the Vista? What do you want?
You guys have the Cheetorito burrito?
Yeah.
Yeah, I'll do that.
Yeah.
I'm on the wrong side here. I'm doing it wrong. You're a good man. Oh, you come bearing gifts. The glory. Now we just got to find a spot to eat these things. Looking for a suitable place to eat our food, our burritos. All right, let's see what we got from the land down under.
Meat.
It's a letter in a letter. What's good, Sub D and fam? Love watching your channel along with Johnny and the club. You guys have some great looking roads. I 3D modeled and printed out your logo for you to stick somewhere. It's no cash, but still pretty lit. Thanks for making great videos. Much love from Western Australia. Joel. Oh, that's super special, man.
Dude, look how sick that is. 3D printed, baby.
That's super special.
That's why he gave you tape.
Joel, my man. Thank you so much. I'll have this for the rest of my life, man. This is cool.
Thanks for the bubble wrap.
See, Albertacos. What did you get? The Cheetorito?
Cheetorito, which is a burrito with Cheeto. I say it's top-notch junk food.
Out of all the burritos you've ever had in your life, how does this one rank?
It's like a quirky one. It's not like a...
It doesn't rank. It's just a novelty item. If you went back to Albertacos, would you order that again?
I would probably go with the California burrito, but definitely, if you've never been and you've never tried anything funky like that, I'd say definitely try it out. It's something pretty interesting.
I got that fully loaded California burrito,
It was a good stuff.
and it was as good as expected and as good as I remember. This place is consistent, always consistent. And you know what, Z? I'll be back. The Cheetorito, the California fully loaded burrito, I think we were right at $15. You can't beat that. I hope you guys come out to Albertacos, check it out. Let us know what you think, man, because I feel like whatever you order from this place, it's going to win. It's going to be a winner for you.
And these burritos are loaded.
I'm running out of places to go to with this COVID. Restaurants need to reopen. I can't wait for the time that you actually have a waitress to come over to you, give you refills, and you got a menu you can order from. You kind of sit at the table, have a beer, and think about what you want to eat.
But maybe we could turn the food review channel into a food cooking channel.
Well, I don't like to cook, and I've seen some of the shit that you eat. I don't think you should be cooking either.